Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the problem with Fortnite being a DX11 or DED11 compatible GPU, which is a crash error that you get when there's a memory leak or there's simply not enough memory to run the game. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually fix this problem is quite simple, and what you guys need to do is you need to head on over to the advanced system settings for your PC, because the idea is we're going to be adding more virtual memory to our game or our PC whenever we're running an application to prevent crashes like this from happening again. So I'm going to switch windows here real quick, and in a sec you guys will see what I mean. So here we are. Let me actually go to my desktop. Here's what it looks like. And the idea is we're going to get access to our advanced system settings. And the quickest way to do that is to click on the Windows icon on the lower left corner of your screen and simply typing advanced system settings. So I'm going to click on it and it should take us to this little page right here. Now, what we need to do here is we're going to click on performance like so. Click on settings, and then under the advanced tab, we're going to be adding more virtual memory to our PC. Now, you guys are going to allocate this or are going to change the value of this to match your RAM. So let's say that you're running the game on 8 gigs of RAM, which is I should say too little for Fortnite. So you would have to basically do the math for this and match it in megabytes for RAM. So 1 gigabyte is actually 1024 megabytes. So if I bring out the calculator real quick, so here we are. So once again, 1024 megabytes times 8 is going to be 8192 megabytes. So we're going to change that value here. We're going to click on change and enter 8192, and this should fix the problem with your DX11 and Fortnite crashing. So this isn't actually a problem for me, because if you guys have any RAM that's above at least 12, so that'd be a 3 of 4 gigabyte RAMs, but that's a bit weird. So let's say that the standard is 16. It shouldn't be an issue for you, but if you guys are running an older hardware where your RAM is 8 gigs, then you would need to do that. So change the virtual memory to 8192 megabytes, and you guys should be good to go. No more crashes. Now, this isn't an issue for me because I'm running the game on 32 gigs of RAM, so hopefully it helps you out though, and I wish you guys the best. So once again, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.